Hi, Delonte Peterson here with Independent Capital Group here at the Banks Avenue property. We started painting. It's going to be a rental property, so went with semi-gloss paint on the walls that is easily, you can clean it easier. In this property, we actually did the ceilings the same color as the wall because you got crown molding that you can, got the semi-gloss white paint that'll actually break it up a little bit, and it's easier and quicker to paint both walls and ceiling with the same paint color. So all of the trash is out of here, hardwood floors throughout, so we're going to finish, patch that area, and we're going to sand and finish the hardwood floors. Not going to put any floor covering on it. This is the storage area. Trying to get everything cleaned up, at least in one area, so we can know where everything is. Bathroom had some rot where the toilet was, so we're gonna cut the floor out, replace the 1 or 2 joists, and get that stable and solid. This is where the master bathroom is gonna be. We're gonna move this wall out, get some more space. This is where the laundry room and master closet is gonna be located. Has some rot in the exterior wall, so we gotta cut that out and reframe that. Floors are a little bit unlevel, so we gotta jack it up and get that as level as possible. But these are all things that happen when you buy older homes, so you gotta account for that in your budget. That's where your contingency money comes in at. So upstairs where everything is painted, windows are going to be replaced in about a week or two, just waiting for those to come in. Floors are going in, going with that. LVP luxury vinyl planks, very inexpensive, still gives it a good look to it. We didn't have hardwood floors up here, so that's why we went with the floor on top of it. We weren't going to be able to sand and stain these floors, so that's where we are. Until next time.